So we just take a little wash off a while ago, wash off your face. You wash off to Rashi?
Yeah, man. In the heat,
yeah.
the sugar level start trickling down.
Sugar level.
Oh, yeah.
So do you have sugar, Mrs. Waldron?
Only one place of sugar, Mr. Waldron.
Big up yourself, Rashi and Waldron.
Yeah, when you hear that, guys?
Niagara Falls.
Big up yourself.
Niagara to the world.
Yeah, because guys, America the next door, don't it? So you don't know, share one border. Big up on yourself. Straight, straight. Take care, guys. Big up, respect, respect. What you feeling? What a rushy flight and nearly run late. So guys, this walk is called the Approach. You don't know, we got the crew out here and we at Niagara Falls, right? And for those who are watching, just make sure you press the subscription button, right? Don't forget to...
the videos, you know.
Yeah?
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah man guys, like, share and subscribe, alright? We're heading over now to the falls.
Yes, darling.
Boy, the heat is on though. I think we can make it. We have 10 seconds left. What? You're so nice, man. Guys, we're gonna take a look at peek and see what's going on here. So we're at the first part of the falls. Come on, guys, come on, come on. Jade, watch your step. Watch your step. Just make sure you have control of your step. It's nice though. Woo! Yeah, this nice. Guys, look at the view. Nice. This is beautiful. So for all those who have not experienced this before, so we are at the start of Niagara Falls. I will just give you guys a snapshot, you know, give you guys a view of what it looks like from this area. Not bad at all, guys, and the water is fresh and nice. Yeah man. So we just take a little wash off a while ago, wash off your face. You wash off to Rashi?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, not bad guys, and the water fresh and nice. That's the approach there. So we are at Niagara Falls. Nice. But look at this side, the water much calmer over this side, you see? You're gone.
Guys, when you ever heard the saying, when you think it's peace and safety, it's sudden destruction. Look over there, peace and safety and sudden destruction. You gotta be careful. Trouble.
You can't swim? Jeez and peas.
go over here. And then you don't drop the. You see, Jeremy?
Huh?
You see like a barrier right there.
Oh.
And then it just go over.
Yeah, but him do that every day. I'm used to it. Wow, kid. Can you imagine somebody gone over that? The water looks so clean. Let's look at the water. Just come this side. Like your diesel, like you'll go over. If you stay at it too long. Yeah, I mean, I experience that, but I know a lot of people experience that. Yeah, if you stay at something like that too long, it can make you feel dizzy or feel like you actually go over. Beautiful. Mika, you loving it?
Loving it. Right, messing up, man.
Yeah, there's actually nobody. You can't stand up over there, so you can't swim. You can't do anything there, so because the current is not high. Yeah. Yeah, this is not bad. And you know the good thing about it, the sun actually start going now, you know.
Need to go in. Right now, we're not doing the
So guys, it's supposed to rain in the next hour or so. So we'll be here for that. Let's zoom in on that. Nice. Yeah man, nice.
Jeremy is tree. Basically, it grown and then the leaf come over.
You guys can...
Like it's broken.
Guys, that tree is amazing. Look at that. Let's see what's going on the inside. Not bad. This is really nice. It's like a... What would you say this is? It's nicely, yeah. I wonder if it was somewhat influenced by mankind or if it's just natural. I'm not sure.
Oh,
yeah. It looks good though. This is a real shelter. Yeah, in the cool and nice. Like a little house. Who let Mika go on in your house? Can you imagine the tree grow like this? Yeah. That's crazy. Huh? Yeah, we're going in again.
If you want to cool down, you go in there.
For sure. But wait, a big photo shoot are going in there.
One tired pose, hey.
Yeah, everywhere she does, she had to take picture. Welcome to Canada, my girl. Welcome to Canada.
Yes, baby.
Can you imagine as a picnic with a love coming as a come play? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a nice house where kids can come and play.
Who lives in that hotel?
We don't have something to carve our names in. Write your name in there. I've been here.
No, seriously, wait, is the person's write the name on the tree?
Yeah, people have their name carved out. This is our roof.
Oh,
Roof of Aiden. Watch that.
oh. So guys, persons actually come here and write their name that I was here and all of that.
I was here. Rashid.
Come on, remember this is about Niagara Falls, it's not about adventure and search and find.
It's a good man and woman spot. A night time. Yes. Hide and joke.
You see what you know I think about?
That never cross your mind.
No. Guys, you see what the woman them I think about? Juki jam.
Lime a third.
Them thing in the cross man
You
mind.
see how much people pass it and never recognize it till I said, look at that spot.
True.
Alright. So some people that pass it at night time are when down. Because them not going to look at things says, and you have only for room.
True. True word. Nice and cozy though.
Bring your blow up mattress, so you're alright. Yesterday was a very exhausting day, yeah.
Yesterday for real.
And then today look like the next exhausting show. I don't know about that setup later.
Oh, yeah, we have to just pass through, guys.
Yeah, by the time we drive, we're tired.
Yeah. So we have a barbecue for 10 and you know, we're going to try our best for 10 still, you don't know. Don't know.
Today is a full day.
I have to represent. You know, I love get the weather already. It's 33 degrees Celsius. Don't play with it.
Don't play with it.
Yeah, and the humidity index is high.
Very high.
So you don't know. First time we come here, we never get a chance to get a proper footage on what's going on here in Niagara Falls because we were new to YouTube and we never know how to turn the camera, right?
Right.
So we turn the camera the other way around when it should be sideways.
Right.
So now we have the opportunity to come again and show you guys what's going on, what the environment.
It, of course, another time of the year.
True, because we came here last year September and it was a little bit chilly. You don't know, summer did finish and nice and cool. But now we're there in the peak of summer.
And it didn't have so much attraction basically. Most people coming out now because COVID. It's
Okay,
gone.
good.
Go away, COVID. We have a crowd. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have a larger crowd now. It's a good look still, guys. Just a little bit hot.
A little bit.
It's very hot.
And we need wind.
Yeah, guys, so being here a few times, I would recommend persons to come here when it's a little bit chilly. It's really nice, I would tell you. September or
Easter.
April, May, them time they're nice time. Now it's a bit hot. It's very hot. Guys, look at that. Nice view. I'm not sure in a rush, but it look like those buses bring you directly to Niagara Falls. You know, you can take the bus wherever and come here. So if you don't feel like driving, you just take the bus.
Yeah, which will be cheaper.
Well, I don't know the price. I don't know the price at all. Who is that girl taking all the nice pictures by the flowers? Yeah.
Straight from Connecticut.
And me, man, Nigel. Yeah, man, guys, wifey a boss, says she hot. Come.
Man,
Me kiss her and makes you feel better, you know?
a whole lot better.
Feel better now?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Place hot still. We should be even hug up in this heat. Yeah.
Man.
But you don't know. But Jada.
Huh?
Yo! Eh? Come. Come see me, I want a picture with you there. Come in. Come. Looking good. Look at that. What's going on? What's going on? Huh?
You want to take a picture?
No, we're good, we're good. Thank you so much.
Group picture, yes. Okay.
You want to take a group picture?
Yeah, everybody
She's a good photographer. We got it.
You're good? Did you do a course? Alright, good, I'll do it. I'll let you do it for us. Thank you. Boy, madam, they here take pictures like non-stop. Guys, this is really beautiful though. Where Jada say? Him look real? Oh, madness. Okay. So guys, we decided to come on the inside for a second. Outside is really hot. Plus, you know, the guys wanted a washroom break. So, you know, we're on the inside here. Welcome center. And we're just cooling down a bit. Really nice though. We didn't go upstairs as yet to see what's happening up there. But, you know, we suspect that it's really good. Where are they now? So guys, we decided to take a water break outside. Really hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Desert hot.
Yeah man, so we
Drop
decided.
down hot.
Yeah man.
Paramedics hot.
Yeah, place bad guy. Make a hold them. Yeah guys, so we just have some almond Danish. Show them what you're having. Almond Danish and some slush, some water, something simple to keep it going. Jade? Yeah guys, see you on the outside. We're back outside. Just drink some nice lemon juice and, you know. Wow, look at that waterfall. Wow, look at that, she go over. Suatu.
The falls are be a body or something.
Yeah, yes, at the spot, you know.
Right, in a full swing.
This is the spot, guys. Yeah. Rashid.
I just recovered from the heat
Huh?
at the retreat. Just
Guys,
recovered.
Rashid a burn up, like really burn up. Because outside, not normal. It's not a normal day today. It's super hot. So
Heat wave.
so we had to go inside and take a, you know, a 15-20 minute break. Come back outside and we're at it again. It's beautiful though. Yeah, the rainbow. See if we can. Okay, yeah, it's there.
dog want to keep up.
Right, that's a swimmable,
Huh?
right? That's a
Of course. Of course.
Yes, right. Yes, I kind of. Yeah.
You know, Rashida promised that when she returns, she'll go on that ride.
Oh yeah, mommy, they said that. All the way down the
What? Boy, I'm gonna really go on that.
I rain some that.
Look at those guys. Them have fun. The boat are turning now. Smile, Mika.
Already.
Watch them run out there, son. Watch them.
We can't afford to burn up.
Cheese.
Sun too hot.
Yo, me see you lean and go towards the shade. You know, you just walk and lean and your body and go towards the shade.
I say a plant moving towards
Sunlight. Yo, place hot.
Everything is in Canada is so much better. The Canadian side is better than the US side.
Oh man, it's everywhere, man. It's everywhere. Yeah. It's everywhere. Of course, Canada is awesome, guys. All right. It's just amazing how patriotic Canadians are, which is good because the Americans are patriotic as well, you know.
Right.
So don't feel like say you want to come
Great
expect
side.
less of Canadians,
Over
but
here.
it's just awesome to just hear that argument everywhere you go. Oh, Canada is so great. We're so great, man. Our side is better. Right? Yeah, it's amazing. And I think that's what every country should have. That sense of patriotism, right? Or that feeling of patriotism. Where one believes in his or her country.
Of course, Jamaica is great. Only
Yeah.
the crime rate
Yeah,
is
man.
too high, but Jamaica is a great country.
Yeah, man. Every country great, man.
This
You just
is the land of my birth.
yeah. You feel better, guys. Wifey nearly get a heat stroke.
You know, you're trouble with like your sugar problem.
She do whole heap of blood checks. No, zero sugar.
No, because sometimes you know when people feel like that, they lighter than something.
Yeah.
You know, them sugar levels.
Guys, we have our resident nurse right here asking some good questions. Yeah,
Because sometimes when you don't you eat and then if you're certain and then you're in the heat,
yeah.
your sugar level start trickle down.
Sugar level.
So, yeah.
So do you have sugar, Mrs. Waldron?
Only one place of sugar, Mr. Waldron.
God, me sure nobody now eat the sugar there. Look on the camera. No one will.
We're not talking about eating here, so.
Okay, good. That's just. Yeah, but let me tell you what she know. Lazy is not the right word.
Tired, dog. Watch that.
She don't like the clean people. Where my walk so? Look, guys, look how the dog lazy. Yeah, but back to Russia now. She don't like come under pressure, you know. The little sun catch her, she start run and start going with a bag of things.
No, you have like a breeze and a breeze wasn't there before. Just stand up so the heat just stand up so. So when I used to it, me used to look a breeze with the heat.
Alright, so picture persons now, you know, say, but yeah, Moody be said that. You know, when me used to work in the US, I saw me stand up right this out, like in the open, in the sun, hot. for 10, 11, 12 hours.
Can I make enough money?
And we get like we get
Nobody not pay me
two
right now.
15-minute breaks and a half an hour break
But I'm not
throughout
getting paid
10
right
to
now.
12 hour period. Yeah. If I one time Jado would not cry already in this son out here. But from him start the trucks training. Yeah, son I stand up firm. Right, Jay?
Yeah.
Yes, and not normal guys. Weakness is a sickness when in the body.
Yeah, try to say I'm weak.
Weakness is
You have
a
sickness?
no. May I say weakness. Alright, we have a nurse here, so ask her. Isn't weakness a sickness in the body?
Yes, sir.
And you have to do enough to strengthen.
Strengthen up. You have to take your vitamins and eat your greens.
Please, this is the right person we're talking to.
All these things.
So you have
At least can work out for a half an hour. You don't have to be a whole hour.
3 times a week.
To strengthen the heart.
Strengthen
Yes.
your heart and let blood
Yes.
flow
Remember, say
places where
working
they're
out is
not
a
usually
mental thing, you
good.
understand? It's not easy to just jump on something and go work out. It takes time. It's
Yeah.
a mental thing.
yeah.
Time and effort. You
Yeah.
have to make time for what you want to do.
Yeah. Sounds good. You get that? Would you take the advice from a nurse? I don't know where they are, Niagara Falls, just chilling.
It's been real.
Yeah.
This could come off my bucket list.
Yeah.
I made it to Canada.
Would you come here in the winter?
I would love to come here in the winter.
Or even the
to get
spring?
an experience.
Or even the spring?
I would love to.
Yeah,
love
I
to
would.
experience
It's nice
other
now.
weather.
A lot of persons I think they have biases for the summer. I would say, and I want to hear Rashida's opinion, I would say the spring or autumn is far nicer at Niagara Falls because you feel the water now, right? It's nicer during that time. It's cool and nice. You can stand out here for hours and you don't feel any way.
Guys,
Right?
for me personally, like my personal experience with winter in Canada, I have no issues with it, you know. It's just that you need your gears.
True,
I prefer winter anytime over summer.
true. Except for the brutal conditions. But guys, once at 10 degrees and down, sorry, or 10 degrees and up. Sorry, minus 10 degrees and up. Those are good conditions. So 0 degrees for me is perfect. Right? Right, Jado?
3 degrees for me is perfect.
Yes, minus 10 come all the way up. But
And
once
guys,
you
know,
pass that,
what I realize when it's snowing, you know, it's not necessarily cold, you know, it's after the snow stops and it settles on, that's when it's not nice. Like
True.
it gets colder at
True.
that point. But
True.
while the snow, it's basically warm, it doesn't feel the snow, the nice
So-
little trickle.
so would you say the summer is overrated? Hyped up?
Yeah.
You would say that?
And why I think that Canadians or maybe US citizens maybe love the summer is because they get to wear empty skin and they like to show a lot. In the winter you can't afford to show a lot.
Some
So
people
maybe
still show a lot in the winter time.
People
but
still
I
show a
think
lot
That's
in
why
the
they like summer. Why they prefer summer.
Yeah, they like the summer. Well, the clear people, they love the summer because they want to go out and get a tan, and they like the beaches. You know, little stuff like that.
They can, and to be honest, still, that's one of the things I love about some of the activities,
Right.
right? But sometimes it's so hot, the activities are not even that fun.
Right. You gotta
For me
go
personally.
day.
But we'll just do them because they're on your list of things
Guys,
to
if you
do.
want to do a lot of activities, visit Jamaica.
Basically.
It's not this hot, for real. It's not this.
Never.
It's never this hot
So
in Jamaica.
you'll be getting activities plus nice
Plus
weather.
nice weather.
Yeah.
True. But you're here to sell Canada. You shouldn't be selling Jamaica at this point.
I sell Jamaica anywhere I go.
I would
Can't put
definitely
me out
come
of
back
Jamaica.
to Canada.
Yeah.
This is a place that I would visit again for sure.
Say that louder.
I will definitely visit Canada again.
Yeah.
One place I will come back for sure.
When you see
for
our bright
sure.
smile, guys, when you see that girl brush her teeth.
Yes.
No playing around and no sweets.
Press 3D.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys. Canada is a nice place. And I hope you guys love what you saw and what you're seeing. Right?
Well, guys, like I said, it's been a pleasure. I would definitely come back and visit Canada. I could get this on my bucket list. Niagara Falls was a beautiful experience for a traveler. I really enjoyed my Sunday today. It's a really nice, this is it for me. This is a thumbs up for me for Canada.
What you say, Rossi?
Niagara Falls. A thumbs up for
10
me.
out of 10.
10 out of
Really
10?
beautiful,
I
yeah.
love it. I love it here. I wish I lived here. Might have to reconsider my life.
Wanna hear that, guys? So, for those who have not been to Niagara Falls as yet, hurry up and come.
Oreo Baco.
Yeah, whether it's summer, autumn, winter,
Oreo
spring,
Baco.
hurry up and come. It's really amazing here, guys, and I encourage you to all hurry up and come.
It's a sight to see.
Yeah, man, it's something to see. And look
It's
at
a
that.
sight to see,
These guys are going close to the falls and they're gonna use
It's a sight
the
to
force
see.
of the waves to bring them back. Yeah, man, guys, I think they're normal. Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada.
The sun's so hot. Come here. Catch me over here, son.
Huh?
Want a picture here, son?
You want a picture?
'Cause I think this is
Jen,
nice.
take a picture for her,
This is
Jen.
a nice view.
Take a pic for her, Jen.
Please and thank you.
Yeah, guys, on the falls, crowded today.
Too much.
Huh?
What are you gonna say?
Too much people.
Put your finger in the camera.
Like Canada really open up. There are a lot of New Jersey and Connecticut plates here.
Yes, and I'm
real.
from Connecticut.
Big up Connecticut, straight.
You can't see neither. Yeah, me one tired pose, guys. I love the pose here because I feel like say the left side and the best side. So if I pose up so it bring out the curves, the shape. You don't see too much of the apron. The apron is hidden. But because of no zoom in, put me too much.
No, me not zoom in. Me not zoom in. Me not zoom
Very
in.
enough. Enough like a pack of baking powder.
No, me not zoom in. Remember one pose you have to, you know, so don't laugh.
Alright, you done? Alright.
Don't laugh. Big up all of the one pose girls them.
Every girl have a one pose in their life.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anyhow, more on just shout out to the people them, right? Tell them to like, share and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, guys.
Come Rashi, you are close.
Guys, like, share and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Just say hi if you have nothing to say. Big up Ontario straight and big up Niagara Falls. You need to come here. If you're in other provinces, you must come and see Niagara Falls. It's a must see. So take it off your bucket list. Come here to Ontario and just visit. See you guys. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.